Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, my Lolila. It's another cooking episode. And today, magluluto po tayo ng nilagang pork ribs. Ito po yung lagi kong kinakain nung nagkasakit pa ako 2 weeks ago. So, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Wash the pork ribs first before putting it into the cooking pot. Add in 1 whole onion, and lemongrass, and ginger. Season it with salt and add in some water. Let it boil. Once it's boiling, you may lower the heat and continue to cook it until the meat is tender. Remove the scum in order for you to have a clear broth. To add more flavor to the soup, you may add the Knorr pork cubes. This time, the meat is already tender. It's time to add the potatoes. Then add the carrots. Then add the string beans. Then season with pepper. Add the spring onions and the cabbage. Cook it for about 3 more minutes. And here is our finished product, ang nilagang pork ribs. So if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel. And also click on the notification bell so that you will be updated for our next uploads. See you next time. Bye!